Oh, they're just having a good old time. Every time I get on the internet and start doing something they don't like. Could be the weather. Oh, they're getting that siren in big time. Yeah, here's some more all splintered, pulled up, being pushed over. Wow. We are so lucky. I've got huge trees right by my house that could have fallen over on our cars, on the houses. We really were lucky. Looks like a fucking war zone here. Excuse the French. Well, you protected us, Jesus. You protected our house. And just a block over. Looks like they got the first brunt before it got to us. Oh my God. Oh my God. Shit was aimed right at me too. Look, it's aimed right at my house. It's a fucking crime scene here. Look at this shit. You can see they're all pushed over, going in this direction, most of them. In my house, right towards the Skull and Bones guy, right over here. I got Mr. Skull and Bones right there, his greenhouse. Look at this stuff. Tell me this is natural. this. Unbelievable. That couple stopped and talked to me as I was talking to this guy. I don't know if they were just trying to run interference or something. Something was going on. Look at this. It's totally unbelievable. And I just live. The next house is over. The next house is over. And I'm safe. Right there. Right there, that's where I live. Right across the street there. And nothing happened to us. I see one tree looks like it's starting to push over. Oh my God. They were after me. They wanted to make it look like a natural disaster. Maybe they were trying to kill me. Yeah. Okay. Hey, I'm just letting you... Are you with the convent here? Yeah. I'm actually making a film about some of the weather crimes going on in our country. I know, I'm leaving, but I'm telling you, this is not natural. This is March, and there's stuff going on in our country that can control the weather. And I'm actually writing a book about the CIA. I actually live right over here. I've seen more crap happen in this country, from Haiti, the earthquakes. There's a lot of stuff going on. This is not natural, needs to be reported. You need to document this. This is not natural. This is I'm telling you. Oh, I know that, but this, okay, you need to look into this. I'm making a film too, so. Come on, Bear. A group of nuns here. It's a convent, St. Ursula Center, and one of the things that they do, they have a big statue up here of the devil, the serpent himself, under their foot. I don't think they like that. Maybe that's why they got attacked. Oh yeah. That's my wife's name, Ursula, or my ex-wife. Maybe in heaven we'll always be together, I don't know. It's hard to say. You know what they say about your first love. I'm not seeing this kind of damage. Just over there, 1 block from my house. Right next to my house, aimed right at my house. See a few busted trees, but nothing like the kind of damage right there by my house. Some minor stuff here. Nothing like over there though.